Right, lasagna. You might think lasagna is quite complicated, which it is if you're cooking it from scratch. It takes one or two skills. However, if you're using the once a week cookery system, it's quite easy just to assemble a lasagna in no time at all. So I've got 4 portions of Bolognese Style Sauce. So that's 2 going in there. And spread it out. I've greased the dish, by the way. Now this is fresh lasagna I'm using, and it's not quite the right shape, so I'll cut some off. Don't want to waste it by folding it over. Put that like that. And another 2 portions of Bolognese Style Sauce. Spread that over. Another sheet of lasagna. That one's okay. There we go. Then we've got the cheese sauce that we made the other day. I'm just going to use about 1/4 of it. Now the rest will go in the freezer in containers, so that the next time I need cheese sauce, I'll just take it out and use it. We spread that over. Bit more. Now I've got the oven set at gas 6, 200 centigrade, 400 Fahrenheit. This is going to take about 35 to 40 minutes. Right, on the top I'm going to sprinkle grated mozzarella. I've got about 4 ounces here. I'll never get the cheese just right. So there we go, that's the grated cheese. I'm just going to decorate each portion with a half cherry tomato, just to give it a bit of extra colour. This goes into the oven, as I say, for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's golden brown on top. So there you go, lasagna bubbling away. I shall leave it to cool about 5 minutes before I attempt to serve it up, because it can be quite tricky. But it smells wonderful, I can't wait to tuck in. See you later, bye.